How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Messenger application. Then here go to the chat in which you want to remove end-to-end encryption. Suppose I want to remove end-to-end encryption in this chat. So simply press and hold on to the chat itself. Then here simply click on delete. Then click on delete. After that, from the next time, the end-to-end encryption in Messenger will be removed. So in this very simple way you could remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.